or maybe even a couple. But you know, recently, since I started my school, Kikulamele, there were a number of young people, young, including her, when she was in the 6th grade, she wanted to learn how to play the Hawaiian steel guitar. So she would come over to Kikulamele, and she's been playing ever since, yeah, from 6th grade, for 6 years now at least, yeah. Because she's a senior in high school now, she's graduating this month from Kalani High School. And she is doing so well. She's been featured in many of the steel guitar festivals. She's played with Ipo Kumukahi, and so on and so forth. So she's kind of blazing her own trail. And she got her first student, Kimo Kahuana. Do you know who that student is? Your wife. That's right. And you know what? She did good because they shot a video and they posted it on Facebook. And she played her first song ever for me over the video, yeah, through Facebook, and it's Hene Hene Kowaka. Good job. Good job, Alexis. Okay, so anyway, we're gonna have, what you wanna do? Let's do, okay, she's gonna do a song called Minihaha. Okay, so here's Kawai A'o Minihaha. Injury, go ahead. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Minnehaha. You want to hear her do another song?